Welcome to Home Food Best Food. If you like my recipe videos, then click on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon and stay updated with all my latest recipes. You're watching 4th episode of 5-minute recipe series, that is Khaman Dhokla Instant. This dhokla recipe is quick and easy one that makes delicious and healthy dhokla. A recipe where dhokla batter is microwaved and dhokla is made in just 5 minutes using besan and with a colorful chili tempering. This dhokla recipe is made with besan and very little suji. A besan batter consisting of lemon, salt, sugar, ginger paste and turmeric is mixed with eno or fruit salt and microwaved to perfection. Let's start this recipe. Onto a sieve, take 1 cup of besan flour and sieve it well using the sieve. Add 3 tablespoons of rava, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, next add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add half cup of yogurt and 1/4 cup of water and mix well to make a smooth lump-free batter. Next add 1 teaspoon of eno or fruit salt. Add 1 teaspoon of water and mix gently. Do not overmix the batter. Apply some oil onto a microwave safe pan. Transfer the batter onto the pan immediately. The pan in the microwave and switch on the 5 minutes express button and let it microwave for 5 minutes. Soft and spongy dhokla is ready after 5 minutes. Put it onto a plate. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of oil and microwave it for 1 minute. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, green chilies and microwave it for another 1 minute. Later add 2 tablespoons of water, little salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix it well. Pour this mixture onto a dhokla and let the dhokla soak the syrup well. Cut it into desired shape. Now my microwave was set at 1200 watts. So depending on your microwave settings, bake the dhokla. Check it after 4 minutes or 5 minutes and it should be done. Finish it with chopped coriander leaves. So this dhokla was made in just 5 minutes. Garnish it with some grated coconut and the dhokla is ready. This dhokla is very soft, spongy, porous, fluffy and smooth in texture. I'm going to eat it with some tamarind chutney. Like this recipe, then click on the red subscribe button and never miss another update. And thanks for watching.